Welcome to the all-new Manufacturing and Engineering Center, or MEC, located in Livonia, conveniently and strategically near Livonia's industrial strip. This facility will be the new home to 9 core programs. The MEC is the latest example of Schoolcraft College building with a purpose. We're adding space and facilities for skilled workers to enter careers that the marketplace is demanding. Altogether, we've doubled the space for these 9 programs, each of which provides a vital contribution to Michigan's economy. Let's hear a little bit more about our programs.
Are you more of a hands-on person and don't see yourself in an office job? With advanced manufacturing, every day is a new challenge as you learn the fundamentals of production and technology while using critical thinking skills to solve problems. Schoolcraft's state-of-the-art computer numeric controlled machining lab will provide you with hands-on experience to prepare you for numerous positions in the manufacturing industry where you can earn a very competitive salary.
This building was designed and built for occupational programs. We've more than doubled our occupational square footage that we have. We can run more classes now. There's so much more opportunities that we can build on in this new facility. What makes Schoolcraft College Manufacturing Department stand out is our instructors. We have 40 years of instructional knowledge working in the real workplace that we pick up experience and the education that we can transfer over and teach our young students on what really goes on in the real world.
The best part of taking classes at Schoolcraft is that the teachers are always so helpful. You can always reach out to them anytime, and they're willing to do whatever they can for you to help you, support you, and get you moving forward. The best part of CNC is it's really just as creative as you can be. We have the tools to make almost anything that you could imagine. Job opportunities I'll find after I graduate are virtually limitless. I can go to any machine shop or any other manufacturing facility and find something.
We work with a lot of the area businesses. We supply them with workers. We've done this over a number of years now. Those workers now is our lifeline for our new students, because I can call a past student up and say, hey, is your company hiring? I have this student that's thinking about working there. Can I send them over, talk to you, get a tour of the business? So there's a nice personal connection between a past student and a new student, and it just helps that tree grow more and more every year. So a lot of our students get jobs at the area companies that we work with. A few of them are like Roush, Alpha USA. They all have good training programs too, that not only do they get trained here, they get trained in the company. So it accelerates the knowledge that they have for their career pathway.
The Biomedical Engineering Technology program at Schoolcraft College allows you to use technical skills to work on sophisticated medical devices and diagnostic equipment. BMET careers make a positive impact on patients' health in various healthcare and industrial settings and offer a strong growth outlook through 2029, with average earnings close to $29 an hour. Be a key member of the engineering team when you design 2D and 3D models, components, and assemblies. CAD professionals create, modify, analyze, and optimize industrial manufacturing designs. If this sounds like a career for you, then check out the Computer-Aided Design program at Schoolcraft College. In this program, you will gain valuable experience in all aspects of CAD, leading you to an in-demand occupation. CAD offers opportunities in many industries with a wide range of pay rates.
The CAD program in Schoolcraft College is special because we have dedicated instructors in the engineering and CAD fields. And we offer the learning of manufacturing software like CATIA, V5, NX, and SolidWorks. You learn GD&T, which normally is not offered at other schools. Toyota, Chrysler, GM, they all have design departments that needs parts designed. You don't just keep reusing the old parts over and over, you get new parts designed. So even at home, your refrigerators, there's a bunch of parts in the refrigerator that has to be redefined, redeveloped, and use CAD to develop those parts. If you want to see how the interaction with a 3D printer happens with something that you design, we are welcome to, if it's a coursework, gladly 3D print your objects that you're working on. So for example, up in the screen is a bolt, a 3D design bolt through CATIA, and we can make or 3D print that bolt and even a matching nut if you want, or any product.
If you enjoy solving complex problems, building, repairing, or troubleshooting, the Electronic Technology program at Schoolcraft College may be right for you. Schoolcraft College electronics classes provide hands-on experience with dedicated instructors. Michigan is among the highest-ranking states for employment and wages in electronic technology-related careers. Do you like math and science, and are you considering a career in engineering? Our engineering technology program offers many ways to get started in the engineering field by seeking immediate employment as an engineering technician or transfer to a four-year university. You can also explore an apprenticeship with these programs so you can earn and learn. If you choose to move to a bachelor's degree program at a college or university, you will establish a strong foundation in math and science and complete general education courses. Engineering technology has a strong growth outlook and is projected to increase through 2029, with average earnings close to $33 an hour. Did you love the science lab at school? Are you detail-oriented and want to work with advanced technology? Metallurgy students at Schoolcraft College have access to highly advanced equipment, like state-of-the-art scanning electron microscopes. In this program, you will learn techniques to process and test various metals using computer-based testing equipment. Schoolcraft will prepare you to enter the workforce full of real-world experience in the industry. There is a wide range of salaries offered in this field, and depending on your education and experience, you could earn up to $91,000 a year.
Hello everybody, welcome to Schoolcraft College's Metallurgy and Material Science program. Here at Schoolcraft we have a nice laboratory that we do a lot of evaluations on the various materials that are used in industrial applications throughout the industry here in Michigan. We look at ferrous and non-ferrous materials, steel, aluminum, copper alloys, that sort of thing. We learn a lot about how materials are used in industry, and then some of the properties that we can change or enhance to make them more manufacturable. We measure how ductile or how much materials can be stretched. We can heat treat materials to make them stronger, less ductile, or more ductile depending on what the application is. We can also evaluate the effects of processing, whether it be welding. So we work closely with our welding folks here at the college, as well as the influence of material properties on machining and that sort of thing. So here in the metallurgy department, it's a laboratory with a heat treat area. So we get to do a lot of cool stuff, a lot of measurements. We can look at metals with a microscope and look at the microstructure, what it's made out of. Job opportunities related to material science are actually quite vast. There are people who work specifically in labs in developing materials. They're known as metallurgists in ferrous and non-ferrous fields. So they develop new materials. That's kind of the high-end R&D. But locally here in this part of Michigan, there's a lot of automotive activities that go on. We have heat treaters locally that use our graduates to work in their laboratories to measure their process efficiencies, how well they're heat treating their products. A lot of the tier 1 suppliers have quality control folks that measure different attributes about their products, whether it be in high volume production or during the development cycle. So there are a lot of job opportunities for graduates. And as well, even understanding the basics of material science can be used in technical sales positions. I'm working for companies that sell cutting tools or cutting oils or anything related to industrial products. Having some knowledge of material science can be very beneficial. Here in the Metallurgy and Material Science department, there are different options that you can take. There's a basic certificate program, there's a full associate's degree program, and there even is a post-associate's program for folks that come back to Schoolcraft after, whether they have a degree in another area, and so some folks come back after they have a bachelor's degree. So we have different sizes for different needs for our students.
If you like solving problems while also working with your hands, want a challenging job and enjoy work days that are never the same? Learn more about the Mechatronics program at Schoolcraft College. The Mechatronics programs integrates many fields and prepare students for popular careers that are forecasted for growth through 2028. Plastic is used across many industries for many purposes, especially in the automotive industry. The plastic technology programs at Schoolcraft College can prepare you for employment in one of the largest manufacturing fields in the country. You will receive training on lab equipment and machines used in the industry to prepare you for entry into the workforce.
Okay, well, the uniqueness of our program here at Schoolcraft College, the Plastic Technology program, is the fact that a lot of schools have welding, a lot of schools have metal machining, they'll have CAD. Not too many schools actually have a plastics technology program where we teach the students how to get from pellets like this to finished automotive parts, or even bottles that you drink out of. It's a unique situation, again, having that together with all the other aspects of the plastics technology programs. So students taking this program that include plastics technology have a lot of opportunities out there today. You can start off as technicians, you can start off as engineers, you can start off as supervisors, all depends on how far you get into the program. We've been told that two-year college degree like we offer here actually gets you a very good job in the industry today. You could do that or take some courses here, transfer to another college to get a 4-year degree in plastics technology and really make a lot of money as an engineer.
Do you want a career that is not limited by industry or location? Welders are needed everywhere for joining metal together with heat to create buildings, ships, cars, and other critical structures. Schoolcraft's welding programs provides high-tech welding and fabrication instruction in an innovative state-of-the-art environment. We have small class sizes and hands-on training taught by expert instructors. Schoolcraft also offers a pre-apprentice program that will help you get a jump start on being an apprentice. Average median salary for specialty trade welders is over $46,000.
You guys got to get out here. We have a bigger facility. We've doubled our size. We are going to be one of the largest welding facilities in Michigan. And if you guys want to learn how to weld, you got to get down here. We have 34 workstations, multi-processes. We have brand new technology. We actually mix our own gases now. So one day you'll be welding with one mixture, the next day we'll change it up altogether. You're going to learn all the science involved with welding, and we can guarantee you employment. What's unique about welding is we are starving for welders, so it doesn't matter necessarily the skill level. So people that can't weld very well, you can still get a job. And I don't know about you, but when I was in college, I would have really enjoyed somebody telling me that I didn't have to be perfect at something and I could still make money. Now granted, the not good welders might be looking at somewhere between $12 to $14 an hour. Now the ones that want to take it to another level, now we're looking at hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars. Where we're headed with Schoolcraft is we want to get our students above that below line. That is our goal. So in order to do so, we want to incorporate the science, the knowledge, the math skills. They're going to acquire a lot of the hands-on in their industry, but we want to get them trained and ready for the higher level positions. People are retiring left and right. I'm sure you guys have seen it on the news. We've got a very big skills gap. So at Schoolcraft College, we're going to be able to oversaturate the market with very well qualified welders instead of the mediocre, production type of of personnel. So one of the most amazing things about our new facility is now we have the ability to mix our own shielding gases. This is very unique to a college atmosphere. In fact, I believe that we are going to be one of the only in the state of Michigan to be able to mix our own gases. And what that means to our students is that they get to know the science about how shielding gas does affect the way you weld, the weld quality. So every day our plan is to actually mix up gases and have it different so they can actually experience a real world scenario where every industry will be using several different types of gases for science. That's one of many unique things. We also now have 34 workstations, so we have doubled in size. Each of our workstations, also known as booths, are state of the art. They have very unique equipment specific to that process. So our students will not only be able to weld faster, they're also going to be able to weld better. Our students are going to be hands-on and involved in mixing gases and changing out equipment, which again is going to be beneficial to industry. And that's what's lacking in our industry, is a lot of our workforce doesn't have the science and the knowledge and the background, so they have to be retrained. Our students are going to be one step ahead of everyone else in the industry. They're going to be able to go full tilt, be able to set up their own equipment, understand the processes, and also what I think the most unique thing is bring knowledge to the industry. There's a lot of industry that doesn't realize, oh, if I change this gas, then I can get better quality. That's what our students are also going to bring to the table, and that's very unique.
I chose welding because it's a great program. There's always jobs available. There are obviously welding robots, but there are certain aspects of this job that robots can't do. You need people that are skilled, and this is the place to come.
I can't believe how much knowledge the faculty and other students bring to the program. I'm learning so much.
I came to Schoolcraft because I was looking for a career change, and the faculty has been tremendous. They not only have a wealth of information in manufacturing, they've also taken a genuine interest in me and my career.
So as you can see, some very robust growth and opportunities in these fields, which we're glad to support with the all-new Manufacturing and Engineering Center. Our faculty does a great job in 3 areas. Of course, teaching in the classroom, but also relating the real-world experiences to students to help them understand what it's really like. And finally, most importantly, connecting them to potential employers as they graduate. We hope you found this interesting, and we look forward to seeing you on our campus. Thanks for watching.
Schoolcraft College is conveniently located and offers over 130 academic programs. We have about 9,000 students registered and keep class sizes small so you aren't lost in the crowd. Many students don't know exactly what they want to do, which is fine. Schoolcraft offers programs that are completed in 1 or 2 semesters and lead directly to employment. Or you may want to earn an associate's degree, which can lead to excellent job prospects in many industries. If you decide to pursue a 4-year degree, we can help tailor your courses for a smooth transfer to a university. Schoolcraft is well known for our student support services, offering free tutoring, disability support services, on-campus employment, and more. The numerous fun events and activities at Schoolcraft makes your experience on campus feel so much more connected. From sports and student activity days to clubs and the arts, there's always a way to pursue your interests at Schoolcraft. Community college is an excellent way to get a high-quality education with affordable tuition. There are financial aid and scholarship opportunities available. Last year, Schoolcraft awarded over $40 million in student aid. You may have additional questions, and we're here to help. Please visit us on the web, email, or call us to speak to our admissions staff. If you think Schoolcraft may be a good fit for your educational goals, we invite you to take a virtual tour to learn even more about our campus and what we have to offer. Remember, it's always free to apply. Contact us today.